Hello everyone. Are you wondering what guap means? Let's explore. Guap is a slang term for a large amount of money, often used to emphasize wealth or significant earnings. The word is commonly heard in hip-hop and urban slang, where it's used to describe substantial cash or income, especially when it's earned quickly or easily. Saying someone has guap suggests they are financially well off or have recently come into a lot of money. The term can also be used to talk about striving for financial success, as in trying to get that guap. In essence, guap is all about money and the pursuit of wealth, often highlighting financial abundance or the aspiration to achieve it. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.